Hello, Slovenia. It's been 3 years since I visited your country in a beautiful event, and it's still dear to my heart. I have wonderful memories of that time that we've shared together. I'd love to reconnect with you in a really special online event, which can bring us together wherever we are. I know that we all have faced many changes in the last 2 years, and it's no surprise that we all have needed to adapt to those changes. But changes can be painful sometimes, as we all have experienced. So if you're scared or hurting, you need to know you're not alone. I hope you will let me help you to bring into your life God's messages that can heal your emotions, eliminate fears, and let you trust once again in the beautiful force of life in our universe. You're more powerful than you may realize, and I'd like to help you see that. It'll be a beautiful gathering and reunion. So we'll see you in the beginning of 2023, dear Slovenia.